Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Craft Vibe, where creativity meets simplicity. I hope all of are doing good and feeling creative today. So guys, in this video, I am going to share some beautiful and simple do-it-yourself craft ideas that you can easily try at home. These ideas are perfect for anyone who loves handmade decoration and want to make their home look stylish in a budget-friendly way. So guys, all the design you are watching in this video are very simple and easy to understand. You do not need any expensive tools or professional skill to create this craft. With basic material and a little patience, you can turn simple things into something really beautiful. The main goal of this video is to give you inspiration so that you can create your own home decoration items with confidence. Do it yourself craft is not only about making decor items. It is about using creativity and giving a personal touch to your space. When you make something with your own hands, it feels more special and meaningful. Handmade items always add a warmth and positive energy to any room. So guys, if you love decorating your home, these ideas will surely help you. So guys, before we continue, if you are new here, please like this video and subscribe to DIY Craft Vibe. Your support really helps the channel grow, and do not forget to comment which idea you like the most. So guys, in this collection, you will see that many crafts are made from simple and easily available material. You can use paper, cardboard, fabric pieces, glass jars, plastic bottle, old clothes, rope, thread and many other items that are already available at home. Instead of throwing all things away, you can reuse them in a creative way and turn them into beautiful decoration pieces. One of the best things about do-it-yourself craft is that it saves money. Home decor items in the market can be very expensive, but when you create them at home, you can design them according to your choice without spending too much. You can select your favorite colors, patterns and style. You have a full freedom to change the design as per your home theme. So guys, these craft ideas are suitable for living room decoration, bedroom decoration, study table decoration, wall decoration and even small corner decoration. You can also use these ideas for festival, birthday, celebration or special occasion. Handmade decoration items also make very thoughtful and lovely gift for friends and family members. As you watch each design in this video, try to imagine how you can make it in your own style. Think about the space where you want to place it. Think about which color will match your room. Even a small changes in color or material can give a completely new look. So guys, do not copy exactly. Take inspiration and then create something unique. Crafting is also a very relaxing activity. When you sit and work on a creative project, your mind becomes calm and focused. It helps reduce stress and increase positivity thinking. You can do crafting in your free time, on weekend, or whenever you feel bored. You can even involve your family member or children and make it a fun activity together. So guys, always remember that creativity has no limit. There is no right or wrong in do it yourself craft. If you make a small mistake, you can always improve it. Practice make you better with time. Start with simple projects and slowly try more detailed design. With regular practice, your confidence will grow. Another important thing is presentation. When you complete your craft, good presentation make your handmade item look more attractive and professional. Lighting and background also make a big difference when you display your work. So guys, keep watching till the end of this video for more beautiful and inspiring craft ideas. Each design in this collection is made with love and creativity. I truly hope that these ideas inspire you to start your own creativity journey at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy these ideas, once again, please like this video, subscribe to The Craft Vibe and share it with others who love creative work. Stay connected for more simple, budget friendly